Hey there, Roku users! Encountered the dreaded error 022 on your Roku Streaming Stick and unsure how to fix it? You're not alone. Error 022 often relates to network connection issues, causing frustrating interruptions just when you're in the middle of your favorite show. But fret not. This guide will take you through various steps on how to fix error 022 on your Roku Streaming Stick, helping you get back to streaming in no time. Before we dive into the solutions, it's essential to understand what error 022 is. This error typically arises from issues concerning your device's connection to the internet. Whether it's a weak Wi-Fi signal, incorrect network settings, or interference from other devices, knowing the cause can help in tackling the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, make sure your internet connection is active and stable. This might sound basic, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Ensure your Wi-Fi router is functioning and that other devices are connected without issues. Restart your router by unplugging it for about 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Once rebooted, check if your Roku Streaming Stick connects and the error disappears. Step 2. Restart your Roku device. Sometimes a simple restart of your Roku device can work wonders. Navigate to Settings on your Roku menu. Select System and then choose System Restart. Allow the device to turn off and on, then check if error 022 persists. Step 3. Adjust Wi-Fi settings. Signal interference or incorrect settings can cause connectivity problems. Ensure your Roku Streaming Stick is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Switch from 5.0 GHz band to 2.4 GHz band or vice versa if your router supports dual band. Check other connected devices and disconnect those that aren't needed to free up bandwidth. Step 4. Update your Roku software. Outdated system software can sometimes lead to errors, including 022. Go to Settings, System, System Update. Select Check Now to search for and install any available updates. Once updated, see if the error resolves. Step 5. Reset network and device settings. If the error remains unresolved, a network reset or a factory reset can help. In Settings, navigate to System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to reset the device entirely. Encountering error 022 on your Roku Streaming Stick can be frustrating, but by following these steps on how to fix error 022 on your Roku Streaming Stick, you can quickly resolve it. Always begin with the simplest solutions like checking your internet connection and restarting devices before moving to more drastic measures like a factory reset. With these handy tips, you'll be back enjoying your favorite content in no time. Happy streaming!